Ever miss the ritual of popping in a CD? Scrolling through endless playlists just isn't the same. Remember reading liner notes, admiring album art. Digital streaming just can't replace that feeling. Plus, compressed audio often leaves something missing. I wanted to truly enjoy my CD collection again. But my old player? It was noisy and unreliable. Static, skips, and a clunky design. So frustrating. That's when I found the Onkyo C-7030 CD player. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. This isn't just nostalgia, it's an audio upgrade. Onkyo brings decades of sound expertise to this player. It's built for music lovers who value physical formats. The first thing I noticed, the sleek aluminum front. It looks stunning in any room, living room, office, anywhere. But the magic is in how it sounds. Onkyo's VLSC technology reduces pulse noise. That means crystal clear, noise-free playback every time. A high-precision clock keeps timing errors away. You hear every note exactly as intended. There's a custom-built transformer inside. It delivers a stable, clean power supply. No more interruptions or unwanted hums. And the build quality? Seriously impressive. A thick, flat chassis base reduces vibrations, so your music stays pure and undisturbed. The controls are simple and intuitive. Just pop in your favorite CD and press play. It supports MP3 CDs, CDRs, and CDRWs too. Even those old mix CDs sound fantastic here. Plug in headphones for private listening. There's a dedicated headphone amp with volume control. Want to connect to a receiver or speakers? Choose from digital, optical, or coaxial outputs. It fits seamlessly into any audio setup. Let's see it in action. I'll slide in this classic album. The tray glides smoothly. No awkward jams. Hit play, and instantly, the music fills the room. The clarity is unreal. Every instrument stands out. No background hiss, no distortion, just pure sound. Switching tracks is fast and responsive. Browsing my collection feels special again. Even after hours, the player stays cool and quiet. I love reading the liner notes while I listen. It's a full sensory experience, just like before. Friends always comment on the elegant design. It blends right in with my entertainment system. And it's surprisingly affordable for this quality. You don't have to be an audiophile to notice the difference. But if you are, you'll appreciate every detail, from the robust build to the advanced circuitry. Onkyo has really thought of everything. If you're tired of lackluster digital streaming, or want to rediscover your CD collection's magic, this player is the perfect upgrade. It honors your music and your memories. Bring back the joy of physical media. Enjoy albums the way artists intended, with sound that truly wows. Setup is quick, just plug and play. No complicated menus or confusing settings, just pure, effortless listening. Ready to elevate your home audio? Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Treat yourself to the Onkyo C-7030 today. Your CDs deserve this level of quality, and so do your ears. Rediscover the pleasure of great sound. Experience music in a whole new way. Don't let your collection gather dust. Give it new life with Onkyo C-7030. Check it out now and start listening differently.